You've been lied to about AI. Not by me, by every software company, every guru, every AI expert who sold you another dashboard, another login, another game-changing tool that now sits unused while your phone keeps ringing and nobody answers it. You didn't fail, the system failed you. And I'm going to show you exactly why. And why the harder you tried to fix it, the worse it got. Here's what you were told. Buy this CRM, get this scheduling tool, add this chatbot, hire a VA to manage it all, build automations with Zapier, watch tutorials, read documentation, train your staff, monitor the dashboards, fix the broken connections, update the API keys, troubleshoot when it fails. You didn't get a business. You got a second job managing software. You have Ring Central for calls, Calendly for booking, HubSpot for CRM, some chatbot that answers questions but can't actually do anything, and a receptionist who's overwhelmed trying to duct tape it all together while callers still hit voicemail after 5 p.m. You know what that is? That's not a system, that's chaos with a monthly subscription fee. And the worst part? You're smart. You figured out how to make half of it work. You learned the interfaces, you trained the team, you built the workflows, and that's exactly why you're trapped, because your intelligence convinced you that if you just tried harder, figured out one more integration, or watched one more tutorial, you'd crack the code. There is no code. You're trying to solve a puzzle that was designed to be unsolvable. Let me show you what doing it yourself actually looks like. You could hire another receptionist, $45,000 a year, plus benefits, taxes, training, management time, turnover when they quit, and they still can't answer calls at midnight. Still can't qualify leads while they're on another line. Still need lunch breaks, sick days, vacation. You can hire an agency, $3,000 a month, to have someone else answer your phones. Except they don't know your business. They read from scripts, they take messages instead of booking appointments, and your prospects feel it. They feel the distance. They hang up and call someone who sounds like they actually care. You could build it yourself, learn Python, study the OpenAI documentation, build voice infrastructure, connect to your phone system, train the model on your services, handle the compliance, maintain the servers, debug when it breaks at 2 a.m. on a Saturday. Or you could keep doing what you're doing. Keep missing calls, keep losing leads to competitors who answer faster, keep lying awake at 3 a.m., wondering how much revenue slipped through the cracks today because your system couldn't handle a simple booking request. That's the trap. The harder you work to solve it, the deeper you sink, because you're trying to build an airplane while you're already falling. I know. I built this because I was you. I watched businesses drowning in solutions that created more problems than they solved. Smart owners, good people, losing sleep, losing money, losing their edge because they were too busy managing tools instead of running their business. So I stopped trying to patch the broken system. I built something different. Ring AI isn't another tool to manage. It's not a dashboard you log into or a chatbot you configure. It's an AI receptionist that actually works. Custom built for home remodeling companies, trained on your services, your pricing, your process. It answers calls 24/7, qualifies leads, schedules appointments, and here's what makes it different. It doesn't just take information. It creates a complete job packet, 5 to 6 pages of everything your sales rep needs to walk into an appointment prepared. Customer history, project scope, budget signals, objections already handled. While Ring AI handles your front door, AI Agent Forge builds the system behind it. We audit your business, find exactly where you're bleeding time and money, and deploy custom AI agents that actually do the work. Not just answer questions, but take action, trigger workflows, update records, follow up, and keep moving. This isn't AI tools. This is an AI workforce, and it works while you sleep. Here's what changes when you work with us. You stop managing technology. You stop troubleshooting integrations. You stop wondering if your systems are working or if another lead just disappeared into the void. You and me, we're partners now. You handle what you're great at, running your business, serving your customers, closing deals. I handle the chaos. The calls, the follow-ups, the qualification, the scheduling, the systems that actually work together instead of fighting each other. You get to step away from the phone, trust that it's still moving, still answering, still booking, while you're at dinner, while you're on vacation, while you're finally getting a full night's sleep. That's not just efficiency, that's relief. That's the weight finally lifting. Listen, we don't take everyone, we custom build these systems. It takes real work on our end to do it right. So here's the deal. Click the link, book a call, we'll look at your business, show you exactly where you're losing money, and map out what this actually looks like for you. If we're a fit, we'll move fast. If not, no hard feelings. But fair warning, we have limited build slots each month. When they're full, we start a wait list. Not scarcity BS, reality. Quality work takes time. Stop managing software. Start running your business. Book the call.